Take a look at this 2007 Holden Commodore. This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.